I took a course on stylized character illustration and finished it in 3 days. Completing this course was not an easy task. To be fair, I have a background in art. I've been doing art all my life. That's 20 plus years of artwork. So don't feel intimidated. You grow, you learn at your own pace. I personally love drawing. Cartoons is my passion. From shows like Steven Universe, wanting to create shows like Adventure Time, Chowder. I grew up on these shows. So this course was very, very exciting for me. I have a better knowledge of drawing hands. Never thought I'd see the day I'll have fun with that. I guess you could say this was a hands-on experience. Don't mind my corny jokes. I made a plan. I was just going to do a module a day as I was taking this course. I just fell in love. I was excited. I was having fun the whole step of the way. Kyrie45 on Instagram. Thank you so much for this course. Thank you for making this course easy, simple for anyone to learn. This has definitely been a journey. Honestly, once I started, I just couldn't stop learning. I couldn't stop going through the material, practicing, incorporating my own original characters into my practice. It's just been fun. If you're going to take a course and you're learning how to draw, make sure you love what you're doing. Fall in love with the process. Create systems that work for you. Creating systems is very, very important no matter what you do. It helps with consistency and remaining disciplined throughout the whole journey. I gained better insight how to draw hair and head placements and stuff like that. How to portray locks and braids in artwork. It's been so fun. Never thought I'd see this. I was scrolling through Instagram and I noticed that a content creator that I follow who goes by Kyrie45 offering her services in the form of a course. So I thought to myself, let's give it a shot, right? I looked at some of her works and she's a great artist. Go to her Instagram and look at some of her work. It just speaks for itself. Let me give you some insight as to why I decided to take on this challenge, this course. As an author and concept artist myself, I plan on doing a lot with my book series Ventures Turn, such as creating a comic or working on animations or like maybe short films or even a TV series. In order to do that, I have to continue to improve my knowledge on character illustrations, right? So let's start at the basics. I took this course. It was the greatest thing I ever did in a long time. Just to give you some background about me, I've been drawing for 20 plus years. So although I finished it in 3 days, everyone's situation may be different. I have experience in drawing and art in general. So I would say if you ever pick up a course or you're learning anything new, just take your time. You'll get through it. Everyone moves and learns at their own pace. I wanted to be able to draw like the greats, such as Rebecca Sugar from Steven Universe. Kyrie45 provided so much insight in how these artists operate in a professional studio settings, how they create so that they're able to translate it and that other artists can take the work and work upon it themselves. Taking this opportunity has been very, very insightful, and it's one of the best courses that I have taken in a long time, and I'm proud to say that I'm officially certified. My partner gave me the idea of creating a border for my certificate. So I had to go big or go home. I was suggested to add lots of colors that will make it pop and truly celebrate the things that I learned. I thought it was a fantastic idea. I didn't want to just have this certificate available online. I wanted to print it. I wanted to have the tangible, the physical form. I wanted to grasp it and be proud to show it off. So I started tackling the border. My partner told me that I should illustrate my original characters. I'm still working on my original characters their new stylization after taking a course, but I did make sure to include the ones that I've already gotten done. So I drew my character Gizmo. I created him when I was younger. I also drew Kirby. Who doesn't love Kirby? Fun fact, I used to draw Kirby all the time when I was younger, and even to this day, I use him as a doodle buddy. And I drew a bird. His name is Moon. It's part of my Venture's Turn story. Egypt. He's another character I created based off a real person. Maybe. Anyways, now the inking. So yeah, I did this course on my iPad. I'm a traditional artist who's learning digital art, and I've been having so much fun with digital art and learning how to implement the same techniques in my traditional art. I found it very relaxing, being able to, incorporate the same techniques that I learned traditionally. I found it so much easier to draw. There was no pressure in my line work. I mention this because I don't think I'm the best with line work. I have a shaky hand, and it's okay. I utilize it in my artwork. I'm known to draw really, really fast, and even if I slow down, I still have a shaky hand. But I didn't let that stop me, and with this course, it works out because I learned how to do inking with single lines. It taught me how to be patient and take my time. So yeah. I also ended up drawing a little cartoon version of me at the very bottom. I had so much fun with that. In the past, I struggled with drawing myself in the form of a cartoon because of my locks, but this course definitely made it easier and gave me a better understanding of how to portray my locks specifically. I did a little branding portrait of myself, and the locks came out perfectly fine, but now I truly have an understanding of how to really execute it. This bird, Moon, that sounds crazy, but yes, Moon is a character I grew fond of. It's interesting. I don't want to spoil it too much, but if you read the book, you'll see that bird very, very often. There's a story behind it. Again, I don't want to say too much. If you want, I strongly encourage you to check out my series, Venture's Turn. It's currently available on my website, www.ronell-lloyd.art. You can also buy it off of Amazon. Steven Universe helped me in my 20s, and it's unfortunate that the show was canceled. I wanted to give generations after me that same feeling that Steven Universe gave to me. So the tone of my series is similar to Steven Universe. It features gems as well, but in a different sense. It's not so in a human form. Or where is it, right? But yeah, I wanted to keep that same feeling. So if you're interested in TV shows or cartoons in similar to the tone of Steven Universe, Adventure Time, playful like Chowder, Craig of the Creek, or humorous like Gumball, I say you would really love my series. They even have some dark moments, so if you're into Over the Garden Wall or a universe like Marvel, you should definitely check out my world building series. 100% sure you'll love it. Anyways, I'm done talking for now. I guess enjoy the rest of me designing my border for my certificate. Like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, say hi. And I'm also doing a giveaway, so if you comment Venture's Turn in my comments below, I'll enter you to my giveaway. You can get a signed copy of my book for free. I'll announce the winner in February. See you in the next video.